All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. And what's today's topic? We're going to talk about Home Depot, but lower dollar value items that they have, like on their end displays that they're pushing as leader items, I guess you could say. So it's a quick video, some things to suggest for small dollar things that you might want to pick up for somebody, or you might want to use in your own home, garage, or shop. So let's get after it. I'll show you just this quick video on things that I came across. Here we go. Okay, you can see here $89 was $149. You got this tool chest. I mean, I don't know, could be kind of handy. It's not like, you know, any of the big ones or anything like that, but you know, it's on sale and it's on wheels. You could roll it around, do what you want with it. All right, now this is a nice little work table. You'll see beside the sign on the right, it's $229, but on the right it goes up and down just by you turning that lever. Now the other cool thing, besides it being on casters, you got plenty of leg room under here. I got up close to it, checked it out, but you can also see there's a drawer that pulls out, two of them actually. They're shallow, of course, but you know, kind of handy, I suppose, if depending on projects and hobbies and things like that you're working on. But it has a very nice hard surface to it. 52-inch adjustable height with two drawers. So let me pan around here. Okay, this was one of their big leader items at $9.97. Yeah, it's about $2.50 each. You get 4 of these straps for securing your load in your truck. Huge display. They're selling these right and left for 10 bucks. Now on the end cap you'll see the yellow over here. They're much thicker, a little more costly, but this seemed to be what they were selling out a lot of when I was out there. That's the reason why they have such a big display. The guy told me, yeah, you know, we sell a lot of these each day now that we're around the holidays. So, okay. Now, TV mount, 20-inch to 56-inch. Not bad, 1988. Selling a few of those. This right here, this Cuisinart, 5-piece black stainless steel set for cooking. People were buying these, $14. Seemed like a pretty good deal. $7.88 folding knife. I picked up a couple of these for friends just as gifts. In the club we all do gift exchanges. I thought it was kind of a slick item to get them. So you know, it comes with extra blades, of course, made by Husky. It's just a nice little addition, I mean, to your shop or just to what you're doing. This was cool, $39.88. I have one of these. It's a different style, but it's made by HDX. And what's cool about these is you step on that bottom thing. And let me show you here. Get up. Here we go. Okay, now the lid's up. Now watch this. Comes down nice and slow. 13-gallon. And they sell the bags there too. I'll show you that in just a sec. The bags are on sale. They're good for not just the house, but also the shop. For $13.97, you know, you can get 140 of these. Last you a long time. It's not really a bad price. It's another one of their leader items. And this is what they look like. And if you don't want 140, like when I was out there, I went ahead, I picked up these, $7.47. Not, you know, not any outstanding discount, but these are damn good bags, 50. So I went ahead and got these. All right, I hope you folks like this. It was just a quick tour. I'll see you again soon.